Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another pattern which uses double crochets, chains, single crochets and front post double crochet too, and it creates a floral pattern. This is a floral pattern that creates in the stitch here. This stitch is made with, this pattern, the small swatch is made with Hobby Store Rose Pink 100% premium acrylic anti-pill Aran yarn with medium weight 4 and color code 2033, and I shall be using the same yarn for demonstration too. This has been made with my 5.5 mm clover amour hook. This pattern requires a multiple of 7 plus 2 chains, so I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 2 multiples of 7 plus 2, 16 chains. So the very first stitch is make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1, skip 1 and make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet here. Chain 1, skip 1, you will be left with 3 chains, so you are skipping 1 and making 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. That is the last 2 chains. So this is how the row 1 looks. Okay. For row 2, you can either chain 3, no chain 3, just chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Then skip the next DC and chain 1 space. Place 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, another double crochet, all in the same stitch. Then skip the chain space, skip the next DC and place 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, that is in the middle 2 double crochets of the 4 DC group. Then again you will be skipping the DC and chain 1 space and make a double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and a double crochet, and then place a single crochet on the last stitch here. This is row 2. This is how row 2 looks. For row 3, this is where you either chain 3 and turn or turn and make a standing double crochet on the very first stitch here. So as usual I am going to make my standing double crochet and then place a double crochet in the next DC, chain 1, place a front post double crochet in the next DC, chain 1, skip the next DC and place 1 DC in each of the next 4 stitches. That is, you will place 1 DC in the DC, 1 in each of the SCs and 1 DC in the next DC. Chain 1 and front post double crochet in the next DC. Chain 1, skip the next DC and place 1 DC in each of the last 2 DCs here, so stitches here. So this is row 3 complete. Again we begin with row 2 as the pattern repeat. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet, place a double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. And then skip the next DC and chain 1 space here, chain 1 and DC, and place 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Again skip the double crochet and chain 1 space and place 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and a double crochet, all in the same stitch, and place 1 single crochet in the very last stitch here. So this is how it looks after row 4, which is actually row 2, pattern row 2. Chain 3 and turn, or make a turn and make a double crochet in the very first stitch, and make a double crochet in the next DC, chain 1, front post double crochet under the next DC, chain 1, skip this DC and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. That is 1 double crochet and double crochet, 1 double crochet each on each of the next 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet on the next double crochet. As I said, my hold on the hook is very light, and so sometimes it slips from the yarn. Again, chain 1, skip this chain space, skip this DC, front post double crochet, chain 1, skip this next DC and the chain 1 space and place a double crochet in the next last stitch here. So rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows, and it gives a zigzag flowery look, and that is why I called it as front post double crochet flower stitch. So once you make a few rows, it will appear like this. And for this you can use combination of colors also. You can use 2 colors, working all these DCs in one color and these stitches in another color. So when I teach you the technique of joining colors in between the work, I shall take up another pattern which will suit that. This pattern also can be worked vertically with color changes. So hope you enjoyed this stitch, friends. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Thank you, friends, once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.